Today, we're diving into a huge case that basically saved your right to speak freely online.
Sounds a little crazy, right? But believe it or not, this very question kicked off a huge legal fight.
And for two women, this wasn't just a question. It was real. Their story really shook the country.
So, how did a simple Facebook post blow up into a national scandal and get them arrested? Let's see.
They were arrested under this law, Section 66A. So, what made it so bad?
It really all came down to the wording. The law used these super vague, totally subjective terms. And that vagueness, it created huge problems. It was a real threat to free speech itself.
So, this all landed in the Supreme Court. It was basically a showdown. Individual freedom versus state power.
And then, on March 24, 2015, the Supreme Court came back with a big, bold, one-word verdict.
So, why did they do it? Well, the court's reasoning was super important. They had three main points.
The court drew a line between talking about ideas and actually inciting violence. Section 66A failed that test.
You'd think that would be the end of it, right?
Nope. This law had a weird, kind of spooky second life.
Get this. Years later, a study found dozens of cases were still being filed using this dead law.
It's what's known as a zombie law. It happens when police just don't know the law's gone.
So, while this was a huge win, it leaves us with one really tough question to think about.